Hi guys, it's me, Kelly. I'm going to give you a quick tour of our Blackboard site, and then I'll make some extra videos afterwards breaking down specifically things that you have to do in Blackboard, because some of them are a pain in the butt. So first off, when you go into Blackboard, you see this lovely page here with this adorable cat banner I've made. And this is the course homepage. I'll try to post up whatever's most necessary right here on this first homepage, but for now it's just the syllabus and a way to figure out where to get help. So I'm going to go through this little side menu here with you. So we already talked about the course homepage. The syllabus has both the welcome doc, which I sent out to you guys, as well as the course syllabus, which is different. I really would like you to read through this in the welcome doc before class on Friday and bring with you questions. You have the announcements, which is where you will have seen this. As of right now, there's nothing there. And then you get into the most important stuff, the weekly modules. So this is where you're going to figure out what exactly I expect of you to be doing outside of class each week. And remember, hybrid means that it is half online, so there will be a bit of online work each week. So in week 1, you can see adorable kitten. Again, so many cat things will happen here. You have the to-do list. So I'll always break it down in a quick to-do list. You can kind of check things off as you go. And then I'll put them in order, what you should be doing. Reading the syllabus, discussion board. Discussion boards, there's always going to be a primary post due Friday that we meet in class. And then there'll be 2 optional responses. Those will be due on Sunday. Last semester I got the feedback that students really didn't like the responses because they felt contrived and they were worth a lot of points. So this semester I'm going to make them extra credit. That way if you respond with something more than good job or I think that was the level of responses we were getting last semester. You could get an extra credit point, which would help you if you were late or missed a discussion board or missed points on your primary post. We have some instructions for primary posts, and then you have the prompt. This week's prompt is just to post an introduction about yourself, as well as a picture and sort of why you chose that picture and why it was meaningful to you. So I'm going to give us a separate video where I kind of break down how to post in the discussion boards because Blackboard is a little clunky. So check back. I'm going to have a whole little playlist and I'll put that in. I'll probably actually shove it in here somewhere. Third thing you need to do is post an introduction video on Flipgrid. Easiest thing to do is to probably go to Flipgrid on your phone. There's an app if you want, or just go here on Blackboard. The one annoying thing is that once you go into Flipgrid, you really can't use your... People are bothering me. You can't use your computer's camera, which makes no sense at all. I don't understand it. Maybe you can now, but you do want to use your phone. So this is the Flipgrid code that you'll put in. So yeah, there's even a little thing. I can't make it bigger, but whatever. I will get you a link so you guys can go straight to that on your phone instead. And then the last thing is a knowledge check, which is a little quiz. So this particular quiz, they're always set up so that you have 2 attempts and that the highest grade of those 2 attempts is what matters. And I've kind of given you this one so you can play around with the different question types we'll be seeing later in the semester. So some free response, some matching, and a multiple choice. You can save at any point and come back. But yeah, you get 2 attempts to work on that. So that's week 1. Leave. All weekly modules is where I'll post all of them because I'm only going to keep the last 3 weeks here in the side menu so it doesn't get crazy like it has in my old classes. I also have links on the side where you can go straight to all the discussion boards if you know you're missing them and want to check in on how you're doing. Link to all the knowledge checks again so you can check in and make sure that you've done them all. And then the stats resources. Oh, I need to add one more. This is where you can find the stuff we're going to be covering, the content. There will be lecture notes posted here, as well as homework answers, review stuff, the videos. So I have the content broken down both by week and by actual content area. So you can use either one. And then the last 2 things, obviously you got the grade center where I'll be keeping grades up to date. You can see the discussion board here is worth 10 points. That knowledge check is also worth points. And then we have the need help, which is where you can get the online tutoring from NetTutor, see the hours for the math tutoring center, get Eli's contact information, or see my office hours schedule. So that's my 5-minute tour of Blackboard. Hope that helps. Email me with questions.